All right, what's up everyone? Day number 10 of the 12 days of Christmas giveaways. I announced 3 giveaways yesterday because I was a little bit behind. If you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. I'll link it up here for you guys because you still can go comment on that and have a chance to win. I'll be announcing the winner of those 3 tomorrow. So today we're just gonna be talking about the new giveaway, and that is going to be this guy here, the Work Pro Dual Action Polisher. I did a review on this thing. This is another one. And for the price, it's a fantastic little polisher. Great for if you're just getting started in detailing and you want to start polishing your own cars. Really good for that. And then also as a backup if you need a backup polisher. So we're gonna be giving that thing away. As always, guys, we're gonna be commenting. All you have to do to win, is just comment on this. But do not get scammed. Again, I have to talk about this every time because there are scammers that hop into these giveaways that I do. They'll comment with my picture and it'll say like text me at Telegram or something like that, and they say that you won, but then they'll end up asking you for money to cover the shipping cost. These are giveaways. I don't ask for any money. This is purely just giveaway, so you won't have to send any money. Do not send any money to any scammers, so make sure to not to do that. So we're gonna be giving away this guy. Again, all you have to do is comment on this video and then go over to my Instagram page as well, just for an extra chance to win. You don't have to comment over there to be entered into this, but it will give you an extra chance to win. And then this is something just so you guys have a little insight to what I'm going to be working on. I'm at my house. This is my buddy's car right here. It's an Audi RS3. I think super cool, great little car, super fast. Really great car. And with this thing, I'm going to be doing a full video on this thing, but I'm going to be applying the Cerakote Pro ceramic coating on this. There's just, I wanted to put it through the paces. This thing stays outside, so this will be a good test car for that. I have the interview with this president and CEO of Cerakote. I'm editing it right now. It should go up tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss out on that. I ask them a bunch of questions regarding that new ceramic coating, what the truths and myths are behind ceramic coatings, how they test like longevity, the hardness scale, 9H, all that kind of good stuff. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that one. But again, guys, Work Pro Polisher is the giveaway for today. Good luck to all of you. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell. We will see you on the next one.